Here's everything you need to know about how to pour a concrete driveway on a slope. Here's what you need to know. Slope driveways need specific mix designs, drainage planning, and joint placement. Here's what the process looks like and what it costs. Quick answer. A sloped concrete driveway costs $8 to $15 per square foot installed and requires a high-strength concrete, rebar reinforcement, control joints every 8 to 10 feet, and a broom finish for traction. The process takes 3 to 7 days total, with 28 days of curing before vehicles drive on it. Pouring concrete on a slope is not the same project as pouring a flat driveway, and contractors who treat it that way produce cracked, heaved, or water-damaged slabs within a few years. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina-based concrete company that pays for every project up front, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. Pay nothing until the work is complete. Local Concrete funds all materials and labor up front, protecting homeowners from the deposit and disappear pattern that defines bad concrete contracting. This guide covers everything a homeowner needs to understand about sloped driveway pours, grade limits, mix design, drainage, reinforcement, finishing, and realistic costs in the NC market. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina concrete company that has been funding every project on its own balance sheet. The company holds hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area, and serves homeowners throughout the Charlotte Metro, Triangle, and surrounding NC markets. Sloped driveway installations typically run $8 to $15 per square foot depending on grade severity, drainage requirements, and whether rebar or fiber reinforcement is specified. Unlike most concrete contractors, Local Concrete operates on a pay-on-completion model. Homeowners pay nothing until the work is finished, and Local Concrete funds all materials and labor up front. This protects homeowners from the deposit and disappear pattern common in bad concrete contracting. A properly poured sloped concrete driveway, with correct subgrade preparation, control joints at 10-foot intervals, and a minimum high-strength concrete design, can last 30 or more years with basic maintenance. Moving on to slope limits and grade requirements. Most residential building codes in North Carolina cap driveway slopes at 12 to 15% grade, but anything above 8% starts to introduce meaningful engineering challenges. Grade is calculated simply. A 10% grade means the driveway rises or falls 10 feet for every 100 feet of horizontal run. For most homeowners, a 6 to 8% grade feels steep when you are walking on ice, but is manageable year-round in milder NC winters. Grades above 10% should be reviewed by a licensed contractor before any work begins. Subscribe for more concrete tips. Thanks for watching.